In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw diagrams in PowerPoint. Whether you're building flowcharts, process maps, organizational charts, or simple visual explanations, PowerPoint gives you all the tools you need. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. You can either open an existing presentation or create a brand new one if you want to start from scratch. Once your presentation is open, go to the Insert tab located at the top of the screen. This tab contains all the tools needed to add visual elements to your slides. Next, click on Shapes. A drop-down menu will appear showing a large collection of shapes, including rectangles, circles, arrows, lines, and flowchart symbols. Choose the shape that best fits the type of diagram you want to create. After selecting a shape, click and drag anywhere on the slide to draw it. You can resize or reposition the shape anytime by clicking and dragging its handles. Continue adding more shapes as needed to build your diagram step by step. For example, you might use rectangles for process steps, circles for starting points, and arrows to show movement or connections. Once your shapes are added, arrange them neatly on the slide so your diagram is easy to understand. Keeping spacing consistent helps your presentation look more professional and organized. Now it's time to connect everything together. Go back to Insert, then Shapes again, and choose Connector Lines or Arrows. Draw these between your shapes to visually guide viewers through the flow of information. These connectors are especially useful for flowcharts, timelines, and step-by-step processes because they clearly show relationships between ideas. After your diagram is complete, you can customize it further by changing colors, outlines, fonts, and effects using the Shape Format tab. This helps match the design of your presentation and makes important parts stand out. If you want to save your finished diagram as an image, simply select all the shapes by pressing Ctrl+A, then right-click on the selected diagram and choose Save as Picture. Give your file a name, choose where you want to save it, and PowerPoint will export the diagram as an image you can reuse in other presentations, documents, or projects. Creating diagrams in PowerPoint is a powerful way to explain ideas visually and keep your audience engaged. With a little practice, you can build professional-looking visuals directly inside your slides without needing any extra software. And that's how you draw diagrams in PowerPoint. Share this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.